Hey guys, this is Abhinandan. Today I'm going to make the video. I have changed this original silencer to Indori silencer. I think this sound is also good compared to original silencer. This is BS6, so there was sound is very less. That's why I have installed to Indori silencer. This is local silencer only after market. But recently Royal Enfield has launched, I think last week ago, that is company silencer only. When I bought that time they have not launched. So this is local silencer, Indori silencer. You can see this is look like good only. Look, it seems nobody can guess this is original or local because they have sealed also with sealed. I can show you the sound. Neutral, right? थोड़ा सा स्लेटर दो, थोड़ा सा स्लेटर, उतना नहीं, थोड़ा सा थोड़ा सा थोड़ा सा See the sound. He is my son. He is giving the slitter. That's why see the sound quality. And this is look like original. Sound quality is very good. Nobody, police and all, nobody guess this is original or local silencer. I am using last 1 month. Good one. Okay. So I am going to end my video. If you like my